Welcome to another beautiful 10-minute light movement session. Our daily movements are just going to keep us living long and healthy lives, one moment, one day at a time. Let's just start with a nice gentle twist. Get the body nice and warm. Life really is short, as the thumbnail says. Just going through a book, 4,000 hours. The average life is 4,000 weeks, Only 4,000 weeks, and most of those are probably already gone. What are we doing with our time? Rather than focusing on doing more, we start to focus on what truly matters to us and doing those things. So we want to take 10 minutes to build flexibility, mobility, balance, strength, also a real sense of presence and awe. How awesome is this? Find the beauty in the most simple of things. Get the most out of these precious lives we have. Oh, we're never going to get it all done. We're not going to read every book. But how about every book we read or everything we do, we give it 100% of our presence, our awareness, and really do focus on those things that truly matter to us. I'm going to kick my leg up just in a dynamic sort of way. Rather than just straight back, bring it up to the side a bit. We want to build really nice mobility here. Yeah. Let's just take our time with every movement today, bring ultimate presence into it. The more we can live in this moment, the happier we'll be. Rather than racing to a unknown future, stressing out about a past we can't change, bringing all of our attention into this moment and getting everything out of every precious moment, every precious minute, and every precious one of our 4,000 weeks. It's a great book, 4,000 weeks. It's basically 80 years of life. And that number really hit me. What are we doing with our time? Certainly, let's move that out a bit. Just a little side to side. Come up on the balls of your feet. Use your arms and breathe when you get to the end. Just a nice, gentle flow. This concept of often living for the weekends. Oh, such rubbish. How much of our time and our life will we waste by doing that? As opposed to every day being revered and something truly amazing. Can we live fully in this movement, in this 10-minute session? We move every day so that we can live fully. Okay, so we were kicking up before. I'm just going to go straight back now, but I want to pump the arms and I want to move with a little bit of pace. So nice hamstring curl, just simple movements that will hopefully get us fired up for the day, encourage us to move more, take on movement that matters. So I think walking, it's the greatest, especially if you got to walk somewhere to get your groceries or to pick somebody up or do things. That purpose and walk with intention, the fresh air, the mental clarity. Oh, yes. Find what matters to you and focus on that. Caught up in all this commercialism and nonsense. We need more. We don't need any more. Everything we have is within us to live a whole and complete life. Let's go, baby. I keep going with the babies. I don't know why. There it is. Endorphins, if nothing else. These are supposed to elevate our mood and boost our energy if possible. If we can do that in 10 minutes, that's amazing. Okay. Really, let's, so step and swing those arms as far back as you can. Really feel a brilliant stretch in the upper body. This is a great move if you're sitting at your desk today and you need to loosen up the upper back. Yeah, like really with intention, swing it back. Let's go. And that just keeps showing up every day for ourselves. Some form of movement every day. Movement that we don't need a day off. Movement that we love, that we see as a privilege, not a punishment. That is our medicine, particularly for our mental health. It's going to help our physical health too. And really, most importantly, that thing, that source that connects us all. Spiritual health, whatever that might mean to you. Oh, come on. Really reach it back. Yes. Okay. Oh, shake that the shoulders after that. Yeah. Yes, mine can feel it. Okay. Lower back health. Oh. Let's just practice bending, picking something up. Again, this is really functional fitness. Bend the knees nicely. You know, some of the simplest, things, I believe, are such a sign of real health. The ability to bend down, pick something up, tie our shoes without pain, getting on and off the floor. We're going to have to start doing some real groundwork soon, getting on, doing stuff from the floor to increase our mobility. You go at your pace. Maybe you want to pick it up. We can get the heart rate up a little bit more if we like, but intentional. Oh yeah. Yes, one more. And right into. And if we can, I'm a little tender for that still. Any kind of bouncing. I'm not quite recovered for that, but I think I'm all right here. I'm going to go for it. If you can come up on the balls of your feet a bit and put a little bit of a skip in your step and move laterally, so we're getting that great mobility as well as clearly building balance, endurance, strength. See? 10 minutes in and out, movement that matters. I know, I already feel so much better. I was pretty happy with the way the sun was coming up this morning. This incredible rock. So I'm thinking, Ice Age. Maybe somebody who knows better than me can let me know, how did this rock get here? I do appreciate the comments. They do help to grow our community. It pushes the algorithm, gets this video out. Every like, every share, it all does help. I appreciate it. Love this community. Grow it so we can support more people, engage in movement that matters, embrace every week of their lives. Okay, and swing the arms. Oh, yeah, that's the quickest I've moved. I've been cycling a bit. Oh, I can feel that. Yes. Oh, hallelujah. That's just finished with a nice, gentle, intentional march. You spread your fingertips as wide as possible. Feel everything in this moment. Connect to your breath. A little moving meditation. Meditation to me is simply the ability to pay attention, to focus. And so we meditate as a practice, put our attention on one thing, and as soon as we notice our mind wander off, which the mind does, it's a thought-making machine, we gently guide our attention back to that point of focus. And we just do that over and over and over again so that we have the ability to concentrate and focus. Connect to your breath. Maybe get that leg up just a little bit higher. Let's just increase the range of motion in our hips. It could be a little sore from yesterday's squats. Oh. Just take it all in. Just notice everything you're feeling. Continue to make this week matter. Continue to show up for yourself. Well done. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, life is good. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.